Okay, so I need you to watch this one carefully because it goes places I was not ready for. Mom drags dad back to court to get more child support. Simple enough, right? Except she shows up with a very specific piece of information about what her ex-husband has been doing in his spare time, and she wants the judge to subpoena the evidence. On camera. In open court. Watch what happens.
You all may be seated. Okay, Miss, you brought this case before the court went on.
Well, good morning. I come here today to get his support raised.
Okay.
We have one child, and I believe that he has some income that he's actually not reporting. We kind of try to make it work, not too low. And when I was at his house, I've done a bunch of pornographic movies.
What do you mean make it?
We've been married for a long time. Our son's 11.
Okay.
But we kind of got back together, and a bunch of like pornographic movies.
I'm afraid you're going to stab yourself in the eye.
Sorry.
I just don't want you to.
He's the main character in movies with all these women, and he is saying that that I can't beat him. It's not cheating if he's porn, and some of them are in it. And I said, well, it doesn't like that. You can't, just because you're filming doesn't mean it's not cheating. And I said, you have to be paid for it to actually be a porn star. And he said he was getting paid for them, and tons of them. I feel like.
So you believe he's paid from that?
And plus his business, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's almost close to 100, give or take, like maybe 10 to 15. Okay. So I feel like I get $600 a month from him.
So that's how much his child support is
currently
set at right now?
Yes.
Okay.
We went through mediation at the child support office, so it's, he's.
How old was that?
He's 11, and I guess 10 years ago.
Oh yeah,
he was little.
That has been a while. It's been way overdue for a modification for a number of reasons. So about this income, is what she said true? Does it include that?
It's payment in one way or another.
It's a yes or a no.
No, ma'am, I'm not getting paid technically.
So that means you're lying. And
so you're doing it for. Well, you know what? Never mind. That's not my business. I'm sorry. That's not my business. So your business, where you do make the money, she's talking about the $100. Do you make $100?
No, ma'am. I have 85 to 90,000 on the high in a good year.
Okay. All right. What is it that you do?
I'm in it.
Mechanic. Okay. All right. So you said 90 high end.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Your Honor, is there any way to subpoena his financial records for the porn?
Well, you can. I'm not going to do a subpoena on anything like that. I don't want to see it. Yeah. You can do that though. Yeah. If it exists, you can do that. But subpoena free. So I hope exactly what it is that you're looking for.
Well, there's so many of them, and he told me that he's getting paid for them, and there's thousands, not hundreds, thousands of DVDs with him there on our bed.
Tell you what, once you find some sort of income, some paper trail that shows that, then if you get back in court, we could entertain it then. But as of today, you have some sort of proof that shows he has income from that, and he tells me otherwise, I can't really for that. I can only go off of what he told me. And he said 90,000 on the high end. I think you're in pretty good shape. What do you do for a living?
I don't work. I take care of our kid.
You're a stay-at-home mom? She's 11?
He is.
He goes to school?
He does.
What do you do during the day?
Nothing.
You don't want to work?
Ooh, no.
So you're just living on his child support?
I am.
The judge basically said, bring me a paper trail and we'll talk. Fair enough. But then she turns around and the judge asks her a question that completely flips this whole case on its head. She has an 11-year-old. She's healthy. She's able-bodied. So what does she do all day?
And we live with mother.
And you're proud of that?
Well, we were living with him, and I was a stay-at-home. He made the income.
Okay.
But
you can work now, right?
I can't.
So it's but you get a job, right?
I could, but I'm not going to. My rent's free. My food is free. I'm the homeowner. We don't have to pay nothing.
Okay. You know, I'm not there with you today because you can, obviously you're able to work.
I'm able
and
to
you
want to.
should work, but again, that has nothing to do with me today. What I'm going to do is talk about the modifications numbers, all right? So your income increased. It's increased about almost $400. So based on you saying that you received about $90,000 on the end, it brings your gross to about $7,500, which your net is $5,465.20. That would bring, well, health insurance covers health insurance.
I do.
And how much?
It's 110 a month.
Okay, 10. So what I'm going to do is give you actually for the health insurance for the child. So that will bring your child support down. And monthly, yes, slightly. It's still expensive. $1,093 a month is what he would pay in child support. That's it. What would be if you get a job?
More if I got a job?
No, it would be more for the child if you got a job. Ma'am.
You don't understand.
No, you don't understand. I'm basing his child support increase off of what it is that he's nothing
he
more.
He makes more than
until you bring me something in here to show that. That's what I'm going to base of. And again, you can work.
Can I say something?
No, ma'am. Only thing you to say is, Miss Bonda B, I'm going to go find me a job. That's all I want. If it's anything else other than that, I'm entertaining it. Pertaining to what I just said, do you have any questions?
I will go to a job, but please
hear
me out on one thing.
What is it? Make it.
I promise you I'll make it quick. Let's say that you have a battery-operated vibrator.
You know what? We're done right there. We're done. Anything further
You're
from
about
you,
to
sir?
climax.
Okay. Well,
the batteries.
Rent-free, food-free, 0 bills. And she said it with her whole chest like it was a flex. The judge visibly held back. You could see it. But here's the thing. Legally, her not working doesn't actually lower his child support. His income went up, so his payment goes up. That's just how it works in Texas. She thought if she got a job, it would cost him more. The judge had to correct her on that too. And then she decided to make an analogy.
Okay, thanks.
That's him.
Okay, great. Let me tell you what we're going to do. You all are done, and if there's nothing, you all are dismissed. Thank you.